South Korea is a country full of vibrant cities, rich history, and stunning landscapes. But there are many lesser-known places that offer a unique and quieter side to the country. Here are some hidden gems in South Korea that are worth visiting. Boseong Green Tea Fields, Boseong, Jeollanam-do, Southern Korea. Why visit? Famous for its beautiful rolling hills covered in lush green tea plants, the Boseong Green Tea Fields are a serene and visually stunning destination. You can walk through the fields, visit the tea museums, and taste locally produced green tea. It's especially breathtaking during the spring and early summer. Activities, tea picking, visiting the tea plantations, and relaxing at nearby tea cafes. Jeju Island's secret spots. Jeju Island, off the southern coast of Korea. While Jeju Island is a popular tourist destination, many of its quiet, less crowded corners remain hidden. From the Gyeongmyeong Maze Park to the Manjango Lava Tube, one of the longest lava tunnels in the world, Jeju has a range of off-the-beaten-path treasures. Hiking Halasan Mountain, exploring secret beaches like Jungmun Sekdal Beach, and visiting Uedo Island, a small, peaceful island off Jeju's coast. 3. Andong Haho Village, Andong Gyeongsangbuk-do, Eastern Korea. Why visit? A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this traditional village offers a glimpse into Joseon-era Korean life. The village is known for its well-preserved traditional homes, scenic river views, and Confucian culture. The Haho mask dance drama is performed here, showcasing the village's rich cultural heritage. Exploring the village, experiencing traditional mask performances, and visiting nearby Dosan Seowon, Confucian Academy. Gyeongju's ancient tombs, Jeonju, North Gyeongsang Province. Why visit? Known as the Museum Without Walls, Gyeongju is home to a wealth of ancient sites, including the impressive royal tombs of the Silla dynasty. The Tumuli Park features burial mounds that date back over 1,000 years. Gyeongju also offers lesser-known spots like the Seokguram Grotto and Bulguksa Temple. Visit ancient tombs, explore the Gyeongju National Museum, and take in the scenery around Anupji Pond, 5 Jirisan National Park, Jirisan. Southern Korea, spanning 3 provinces, Gyeongsangnam-do, Jeollanam-do, and Jeollabuk-do. Jirisan is one of Korea's largest and most beautiful national parks, but it's far less touristy compared to places like Seoraksan. The park is home to Jirisan Mountain, which offers incredible hiking trails, deep valleys, waterfalls, and traditional Buddhist temples like Hwaeomsa Temple. Hiking, temple visits, and exploring the park's scenic spots. 6 Sokcho. Gangwon-do, northeastern Korea. Why visit? Sokcho is a charming coastal city near Seoraksan National Park, offering a blend of nature and local culture. While it's known for its proximity to the national park, Sokcho itself has beautiful beaches, such as Sokcho Beach. And tasty local seafood. Abai Village is another hidden gem, known for its traditional fishing culture and its unique ferry crossing. Visit Abai Village, enjoy fresh seafood at the Sokcho Fish Market, and hike in nearby Seoraksan National Park. Ulsan Island, Ulsan-do, off the east coast of South Korea. Why visit? Known as the Mysterious Island, Ulsan-do is remote and less populated, making it a hidden paradise. With dramatic cliffs, pristine waters, and lush forests, the island is perfect for nature lovers. The Seongnam Peak offers incredible views of the island and the surrounding ocean. Hiking, enjoying the tranquil beaches, and exploring Nari Basin and Elephant Rock. Yangpyeong Dumulmori, Yangpyeong, Gyeonggi Province, near Seoul. Why visit? Dumulmori is a beautiful riverside spot, where 2 rivers, the Namhan River and Bukhan River, converge. It's an incredibly peaceful place, often overlooked by tourists, offering a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of Seoul. The area has stunning views of the water, lush landscapes, and small traditional houses along the shore. Walking along the riverside, boating, and visiting nearby Yangpyeong Korean Tea Museum. Gyeonggi Cape, Ulsan, southeastern Korea. Why visit? Known as the first place to see the sunrise in Korea, Gyeonggi Cape offers stunning coastal views and a peaceful atmosphere. It's a hidden gem for those looking to avoid large crowds while enjoying natural beauty. The lighthouse at the Cape is an iconic spot, and nearby Jangsangpo Whale Museum tells the story of the region's whaling history. Sunrise viewing, visiting the lighthouse, and whale watching tours. Pyeongchang's Odaesan National Park, Pyeongchang, Gangwon Province, Central Korea. Why visit? Pyeongchang is more famous for the Winter Olympics, but it also offers stunning natural landscapes and tranquil hiking experiences. Oedo National Park, a less touristy mountain, is famous for its scenic beauty, Buddhist temples, and diverse wildlife. Hiking, exploring temples like Woljungsa, and admiring the autumn foliage 11. Muido Island, Incheon, west of Seoul. Why visit? Just a short ferry ride from Incheon, Muido Island is a quiet getaway with beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and seafood restaurants. The island is especially lovely in the off-season, when you can enjoy its natural beauty and solitude. Hiking to the Muido Lighthouse, relaxing on the beach, and enjoying fresh seafood 12 Tukum Resort Seoul. Eastern Seoul, along the Han River. Why visit? While the Han River is a popular spot in Seoul, Tukum Resort is one of the more peaceful and lesser visited sections. It has a laid-back vibe with spacious parks, cafes, and water sports facilities. You can rent bikes or paddle boats and enjoy a relaxing day near the river, cycling, picnicking by the river, and enjoying the views of the city Samcheok, Gangwon Province, Eastern Korea. Why visit? If you're craving a true hidden gem, let me introduce you to Ulsan Island. This remote island off Korea's eastern coast is so off the radar that you'll feel like you've discovered a secret paradise. With towering cliffs, lush forests, and crystal clear waters, Ulsan-do feels like a natural wonderland. And the best part, it's still largely untouched by mass tourism. One of the most epic views you'll get is from Songnyeonbong Peak, which offers a stunning panoramic view of the entire island and beyond. Go hiking, explore hidden caves, or just relax by the coast. Ulsan-do is perfect for anyone looking to escape into nature and discover something truly unique. So, there you have it. 6 amazing hidden gems in South Korea that you definitely don't want to miss. From serene tea fields to ancient tombs, quiet coastal towns to breathtaking national parks, these spots will give you a whole new perspective on the country. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future travel adventures. And hey, leave a comment below letting me know which of these places you're most excited to visit. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and I'll see you in the next One Safe Travels.